Do you write affirmations every day and every night? I do. Do you know what are the affirmations? Guys, affirmations are the positive small statements that you say to yourself and repeat. These are the things that you can write and you can speak as well. I write every single day. I can show you. I'm making this video. I'm writing a lot more things that I want in my life. See? These are all the wishes that I want for myself and for my loved ones and for my India. I don't write only for myself. So write it like in the present sentences. Like I want to be a great, fluent, confident speaker. And I am becoming. And I'm helping others as well. And that is the fulfillment for me. So write it. I am a confident speaker. I am a billionaire. I am a confident speaker. I love myself. I do what I love. And I mean, you can write a lot more things. Like, let me tell you what I have written here. So, I am fit and healthy. I am beautiful inside out. I am calm, kind, humble, polite, down to earth, even after being a billionaire. Because I want to be humble. I want to help many people as much as I can. I am fearless. I am creating content every single day. I read 100 books a year. I have amazing communication skills. I'm highly self-confident and self-disciplined. I'm massive action taker. I'm learning and growing fast every day. I'm becoming a different talented Sarika. So guys, these are just few. I have a list of those. If I will be reading those, you will feel like you are overwhelming. So please do this activity in your life to change yourself. Because if you are just thinking and not doing anything, then you will never get anything that you want. So if you cannot think what you want, then how you are going to achieve it? So just follow my steps, that what you need to do. First of all, whenever you wake up in the morning, first thing that you need to do is gratitude. Whenever you wake up, just close your eyes. सोना नहीं है, फिर से eyes close करके. Sit on your bed, close your eyes and feel your whole body. Like, I have this healthy body and I have the opportunity to live one more day. And then you have to say to thank you for the light, for the air, for the water, for the food, for your loved ones, everything that you have in your life, all the materialistic things, all the loving things that you have. Say thank you first for all the money that you have got in the past and that you are getting right now in your present. Okay, and after that, just have some glass of waters, and then after that, take your diary and pen and write your affirmations. What do you want in your life? Like I say, first thing, I am fit and healthy. Because if you are not healthy now, even if you have a lot more money, it's of no use. So it's very important to be healthy first. Okay, I am fit and healthy. I am a confident speaker. I am helping millions of people. I have amazing communication skills. My family and friends love me more and more for spending quality time with them. My husband loves me. People admire me, people values me, people loves me, people want to work with me. I am a successful businesswoman. I love my job. I am highly productive throughout the day. I have unlimited energy. I have unlimited stamina. And I love to speak and I love to help people. And whatever you want in your life, just write it in the present tense sentences. Okay, so that's the thing here. And when you will go to sleep, okay, then you have to read all those. So what will happen by reading this? When you write and when you read, it restores or register in your subconscious mind. And we always do those things that are stored in our subconscious mind. So we have to register them there, and then just doing slowly, 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, 2 months, 1 month, 3 months, 4 months. When you will continuously do this activity, you will see like you are marking ticks now in front of these affirmations that you write every day, because your subconscious mind will help you to see those things in your daily life. Let me give an example. So sometimes like your mother says like in the kitchen, go and there is a packet is here, is there, you have to pick it up. And when you are going to kitchen, you are like, where it is, where it is, because your mind is not like that where it is. And it happens with me many times. And my mother says, इधर आ, तुझे मैं दिखाती हूँ कहाँ है. पता नहीं कहाँ से निकाल के वो चीज़ दे देते थे, ये ले, ये तुझे दिखी नहीं थी. तो ऐसा होता है. और जब कोई चीज़ हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में होती है ना, तो हमें वो डायरेक्टली सीधी दिखती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू बी अ रीडर, लाइक ओके, एंड इफ़ यू really want to read, okay, and from now onwards when you will write on your affirmations that I am a great reader, I'm reading 100 books a year, you will feeling like you will attracting those books data in your internet, might be, or anywhere, or might be there will be a person who will start talking about reading books. So whatever is in our subconscious mind, we attract those things only. So that's why write it, and write it for yourself as well, but write it for others as well, that what you want for others, what you want for your mother. Like I write, I am fulfilling dreams of my family members. I really want to fulfill the dreams of theirs. It's my dream to see the happiness in front of on their faces just because of me. That's my fulfillment. And yeah, so that is the video for today, and please implement it. And if you have learned anything, write within the comments that what do you like the most, and what other topics that you want to learn from me, that would only based on my niche, that is speaking confidently and building confidence. Guys, I love to speak on these terms like passion, purpose, mindset, confidence, speaking, communication. These are all related to my niche, and I'll keep making videos for you guys. And I'm also recording these my journey, because when I will see this video after few years, then I will be like how much I have improved. And that's why I'm doing this. And thank you so much for watching this video until last. And that's it. Bye.